We are going to show you a simple hack for wearing your face mask comfortably.
And it's perfect for the summertime.
By quickly sewing buttons on your hat, you can loop your mask over the buttons, relieving tension from your ears. It's so comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing a mask.
Here's some tips for sewing on your buttons. Mark the location for the buttons before you start sewing. Keep all the stitching inside the inner flap. Use a spacer when sewing the button on. I used a paper clip here. Wind the thread around the stitches. This provides the necessary space for the mask to hook around.
This simple upgrade will make wearing a mask much more enjoyable.
When your ears aren't being tugged at, you will be ready to wear your mask all day, keeping yourself and others safe.
For more videos, check out our YouTube channel. This is my wife, Laura.
This is my wife, Jackie,
And this is our life.